3 roofing scams that you need to be aware of. Coming up next.
Number 1. Storm chasers and fly-by-night contractors. After a big storm, scammers go door to door claiming they can quickly repair or replace your damaged roof. They may ask for a large deposit up front and then either disappear or do a subpar work with cheap materials. You can avoid it by verifying their license and insurance, read reviews, and never pay up front in full. Number 2. The low bid, bait and switch. A contractor offers an unbelievably low estimate to win your business. Once work starts, they discover extra problems and hit you with unexpected cost. You can avoid this by getting multiple quotes, demand a detailed contract, and be wary of pressure tactics. Number 3. Fake roof damage and insurance fraud. Some dishonest roofers will exaggerate or even create fake damage to convince you that you need repairs or a full replacement. They may also offer to cover your deductible, which is illegal in many states. You can avoid this by getting a second opinion, check for signs of tampering, and know your insurance policy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.